Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I love you all for coming back and thank you so much. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Today, I would like to do another look with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because I love her. So I was watching her promo video on MorphexBrushes.com. They have like a YouTube video on there which shows her in probably 5 or 6 different looks for their photo shoots and stuff like that. And the look that I loved the most, that was the most Jaclyn that I remember from like OG Jaclyn videos probably 4 or 5 years ago, was a burgundy look that used probably like this corner over here. And it was so pretty. Oh my god, I'm going to try and find it. And this is the screenshot or like the photo that I got of it. It is so Victoria's Secret emails, you know? It is so Jaclyn to me, just everything about Jaclyn. She always does burgundy and smoky, and her eyes look so pretty with the burgundy look that I have to recreate it. I want to. Just please try and ignore all the background noise and stuff like that because my neighbor is mowing the lawn and the clouds came out, so now I'm surrounded by all the lights that I could find in my house. I just kind of set them up everywhere. I can't connect this to like a monitor, so I literally put a mirror behind it. Whenever I'm looking away from the camera, that's me looking at the mirror to make sure that I'm still on camera. It's just, the setup that I have going on is very unprofessional, but bear with me here and just like try and make it work. Also, I just got a new shipment from Morphe, so I have all these beautiful brushes to try. 2 of them are from the Jaclyn Hill collection. I really wanted to buy brushes that were like smaller and something that you can use for like a more defined look, something to really pack on smoky colors. So hopefully that assists me with this video today to do something darker and smokier than probably anything I've ever done on camera. Wish me luck, and please continue watching if you want to see the finished look. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm back. My eyes are primed and ready to go. I am trying out the new, I don't know how new it is, but it's new to me, this Anastasia Eye Primer. It's supposed to be awesome. I've seen people use it in like a bunch of videos, and I mean right now my eyelids look super bright and white. So let's get into this. I'm going to go into Positivity and Feeling Myself and mix them, and I'm not going to go in with that brush. I'm going to go in with this brush and start the crease. Because in the picture, it looks like she has a very orangey pink, kind of like a muted cranberry, but with orange. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing that I don't like about this primer is it's super sticky, and now my eyeshadow is like skipping super bad right there. Let's see if it does it on the other side. Because I know these eyeshadows don't skip. I mean, last video I used these same colors and they didn't skip at all. Yeah, see, like, that's really annoying. Why is it only doing it on this side and not, oh, it's starting to do it on this side too. Maybe as I go on, the skipping will blend out. You know what I forgot to grab before filming? A small handheld mirror. That would have been smart. Every time I film, I feel like there's things that I forget, mistakes that I make. But it's okay because no one is perfect. I'm switching brushes right now. I'm going to go back into just Positivity to try and blend out this skipping that's happening, because I do not like that. Maybe in the future, if I use that Anastasia primer, I will only use it on my lid and not put it into my crease. Okay. The more I blend, the better it looks. That's a good sign. So next, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and Heart On. That color right there. And I'm going to attempt deepening the crease, making it a little more red with that. It's freaking skipping again. It appears to only be skipping super bad on this side though. Is that just like the lighting, or did I put more primer on one side? What's happening? I'm such an amateur when it comes to interesting makeup looks. So one thing that I really love about this look that she did is that it's different from what I'm starting to do already, so I have to stop myself. I always go like this and pat the darker colors on the outer corner and then pull them into the crease. But what she did in this look is it's like all dark down here, slowly becoming lighter. So what I need to start doing is pulling these darker colors across my entire lid and fluffing them up into the crease like so. Okay, now real quick, I'm just going to go back into the crease with Positivity and start blending out that skipping that's happening right there. I'm going to go in with this little Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH44, and I'm going to go in with Next, because that one seems more burgundy. Oh Hello seems a lot more purple. I'm going to take this one right up next to like my lash line and just build my whole lid full of this color. This is going to take a lot of blending, so I might just scrub through this. Next, I'm going to go in with this M503 Morphe brush, back in with Heart On, and blend that out a little bit. But I'm using a smaller brush this time because I want it to be more precise blending. So next I'm going to go in with this color here called Crazy. It's a dark burgundy shade, and I'm going to take that in with a teeny tiny little brush and try and put it super close to my lash line, almost as if I was going to build up a smoky eyeliner. And I'm going to do that with, let's go with this tiny little brush, the M431 from Morphe. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the same color on an even smaller brush to define that line even more. Okay, next I'm going in with this brush. I have no idea where I got it from. It says Aesthetica on it. I'm going in with, again, the color Crazy with this like liner brush and I'm going to try and create a more pronounced line right at my lash line. So I'm going to go back in with this brush, and I'm going to take next again this slightly lighter but still burgundy shade, and I'm going to go pretty close to where I just put that smoky line and then blend it out. Next, we're going to go in with this liner brush again and take Crazy and mix it with this black shade called Temptress. And we're going to make even more of like a smoky line on there. Yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what we're going to do. Alright, now that that looks like super black and pronounced, I want to go back in and blend it out. So I'm going to blend it out with Next and this tiny brush. And then I'm going to go in again with this darker burgundy, same brush, do the same exact thing. I'm going to go off camera to smoke out this side a little bit better than this side, just because the hand holding with a little mirror for me does not make sense in my mind. So I'm just going to do this side real quick off camera and I'll be back. Alright, now that this eye is smoked out in a comparable way to this eye, I am going to go off camera and clean it all up, put on all my face makeup, you know, brows, all that good stuff. Then I will throw on some fake lashes, so we might be back in like 2 hours because it takes a long time to do that for me. I am so rusty on fake lashes. I haven't worn fake lashes in probably a year, so this will be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go off camera, do all that good stuff, and then come back. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, hey, I'm back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I struggled with these lashes, I'm not gonna lie. I cut them too short. So, little bit on the outside, could possibly have more lash and just doesn't. But other than that, I mean, I just went in with my normal foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlighter. I will list everything that I used in the down bar below. And then I went in on the lower lash line with basically the same exact color scheme that I was doing up here, just reversed, you know, down here. Other than all of that, oh, one thing that I have left to do is, if I can find my brush that I want to use. Where's the brush? So I'm actually going to go in with this Dose of Colors little double-ended brush that I got with one of my Dose eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to go with I'm In It, which is like this white shimmer, but it turns pink and it's like iridescent and super pretty. I'm going to put that on the inner corner once I find a mirror. I don't know why I always forget inner corner highlight, but I do. So I'm not sure whether this is the highlight she used in her inner corners, but I really like it. Look how iridescent it is, and it shows up like an iridescent pink. I'm in love with it. It's so beautiful. I tried to do a light nude lip like she had on in the picture, but I cannot go as light as she did because it looks terrible on me. So I just used one of her JaclynHill lipsticks actually in the shade Sophia. Don't know if you guys can see that, if it'll focus in. No? Okay. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. I love you guys and have a great week.